Welcome to Hobie Farms. Today we're going to harvest some of our Seminole pumpkins. And this is what it looks like when the vines start to die off. You don't see any of the leaves. So I'll show you. We're going to harvest these here in a little bit.
That one's looking good.
That's ready, yeah.
There's the one. Some animal got a hold of it.
Uh-oh.
This one here looks like he's cut.
Yeah, just dirty. Okay, I'll look at it when we get in there. Oh yeah, right there. Something was trying to
Dig at it.
Yep.
This one looks good.
Okay. Nice. All right, those look good. Yeah.
And here's another one. Just gonna cut this.
Huh.
Be good to compost.
Yep. Okay. Say that.
An animal got to this one.
Oh. Maybe the girls would like that one.
No, it looks like there might be some worms in that one.
Yeah, we're gonna give that to the girls.
This one looks nice and healthy.
Okay.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
This looks good here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay. All right, so.
Ooh, better stop him here.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Another one there. Another one here. This one can go in here. Is that this? No, that's not the beat up one.
No, the beat up one is behind me.
There's another one over here. Nice.
Oh, nice. Wow, that is kind of heavy. Well, that was a nice harvest. Well, there's some new vines growing and they'll produce more pumpkins. Let's weigh in and see what we have. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.